so proud to introduce to you the new Turtle Pizza Oven from Feu Fires. The perfect combination between functionality and design is what makes it a unique item for every home. I will show you how to turn it on and you'll be able to have a professional pizza in 10 minutes. Make sure that the battery is into the ignition. Turn the button to the left and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the flame is stable. And now just wait for 10 minutes and the oven will be around 500 degrees, ready to make a pizza in only 2 minutes. Put the pizza carefully into the oven and turn it around every 30 seconds and you will have a perfect pizza, just like from a professional Italian pizzeria. You can order and find more information of our products on our website, lefeufires.com.